we picked out our plugs that each of us are going to use. Now I'm fishing the inside seam over here on this side of the boat, so I'm running a little bit smaller plug, smaller profile. Again, even though the water came up to 40 degrees, 42 even, having a smaller profile might be the ticket to get these fish to bite. So I'm going to run this little guy, this little Meglet 3.0, give him a shot, start out. Sun's coming out, clear water, that metallic should shine really well, and we're going to put some gel scent on.
I'm going to run a color I would run home, back on the other side of the state there, and so I'm going to put shrimp scent on mine.
We just picked out all of our scents. Ryan's got his going on his plug setup. He's running the old standby, what we like to use back on our side of the hills. And you know, pink is always a great steelhead color, but I always like to add a little bit of scent to them too. And sometimes we'll add a little piece of sand shrimp tail or a little piece of prawn tail to the belly hook. On these smaller plugs, that typically won't work. So having a good gel scent will help out a lot, and the gel scents will actually stick on the plug and make them stay on there while your lure is down in the pocket working a lot longer. So when you put it on, try not to put it on the bill. That is where the water's pressing against the lip of the plug and giving it its action. So when you put your gel scent on, you're going to put it on the belly of the lure, and that scent will permeate back in through the water column right in behind it. So again, put the gel scent on the belly of your plug so it doesn't affect the action of the lure. So the scent I'm going to put on here right now is squid, and that's a scent that we typically think people use mostly for sturgeon fishing. But for the most part, actually, steelhead, their diet out in the ocean is 40 to 60% squid and mackerel. So squid is a great scent to use even for steelhead. Now we are several hundred miles away from the ocean, a long ways away from this food source, but hey, I'm gonna try it, see if we can remind them what they used to like to eat out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on right now.